All right, hope everyone's doing well. So for this project that I'm working on, it's for Maskcara School. They're a makeup company that basically sells makeup, and they've got this little new thing they're launching where the people can track their progress for like acquiring pins, kind of like a Girl Scouts thing. You know, you do your certain task and then you kind of get an achievement. So that's what this is here. And so I've been trying to design and come up with a way that they can store their progress online and have a little profile. So when they complete one of their tasks, they can check it and it'll automatically save that progress to their profile. And then when they check them all, then they'll be able to claim their pin. And so this will either appear or might be disabled to start. And then after everything's completed, you know, kind of the honor system here, you know, if you've done the stuff that you're supposed to, and then that'll become available. So then I kind of thought, well, this is going to be quite long. There's tons of different pins. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to have like a little mini anchor nav menu of the pin icon, and then you select that pin and then it'll take you down to the page to that icon. So I thought that was kind of cool, and so I've been playing around with a couple different things. This is Figma, by the way, and how this would look. So at first I kind of put these borders around it to separate it, and I just don't know that I like that very much, you know, and then this might be the hover state. So then I removed the borders, and it actually turned out pretty nice, and then I just kind of did a light drop shadow on it, and then, you know, when you hover over it, that can then become kind of like the active state with the border, a little bit darker, something like that. Then I kind of played around with like adding a couple of different background colors, you know, to help separate it a little bit. I initially had this color, but then I realized that really kind of doesn't, it's the same as the header here, so I don't want to quite use that one. And then the light gray, I don't know, maybe, but then I was kind of thinking maybe to make it a little bit bolder, but then I know these are more experimental, but I still feel like these two here turned out okay. I might try a couple different things here with the design, but that's what's kind of nice about having a design program, is to kind of sketch out your ideas first and then have your template to go off of and then begin programming. Sometimes I just get in the habit of, oh, I can build that, and I'll go off and do it, and then I didn't take the time to kind of design that user experience and how a user is going to interact with that site. So the UI and UX is really important. So I'm trying to flesh out those ideas early and think about that first. So that's kind of what I have. Then we'll jump into the code. I want to show you kind of how I would code this out after I've designed it, and how that's all going to work within WordPress. I think it'll be pretty cool. It'll be quite different than stuff that we've done before. So I hope you find this interesting, and let me know in the comments if you want me to build something else maybe that you're working on, or how you tackle something else. Let me know. All right, cool. So we'll catch you here in the next part.